So for the better part of a decade, I've gone around the country and around the world and ridden 300 to 500 horses a year, most of which I didn't know. Riding for the first time at a clinic like this. The only way you can do that and leave the clinics and be able to tell the tale is you have to have a way of seeing who they are. What lets me know if I can ride them or not, if I'm ready or not, is whenever you scare them, how hard do they pull on the line and what kind of ride does the saddle go on? If they drag you, you are not ready. They're telling you, hey, if I get uncomfortable, you won't stop me. And who's to dictate what makes them uncomfortable? Some horse you kiss to them, oh, you can do whatever you want with this horse, but don't kiss to him. You can do whatever you want, just don't let your legs touch the side of him. If somebody gives you instructions like this, don't ride that horse. They're telling you as clear as day. If you can do everything, my horse is perfect butt. Horses have more butts than the Kardashians. Everybody has, oh, perfect horse butt. If your horse is that touchy, that one little thing is gonna make him lose his marbles, we have work to do. Can we agree? Your truck can't be that sensitive. It can't have a button in it with an ejecto seat, because somebody's gonna look at that red button and press it. Same way with your horse.